All right, welcome to the Wakelet Classroom Reactions Rubric. That's a mouthful. Wakelet Classroom Reactions Rubric. So basically what this is, it's two parts. So on one side is the depth of knowledge, and then on the other side is the curation task. Curation task meaning what are we asking kids to do in the classroom, in the learning, when they curate. And curating is basically going out, finding resources, experiences, activities, learning, knowledge, all of that stuff, and you put it all together in one place. That's what curation is. So what's the task that we're asking? That way we don't get a bunch of junk. We want kids to have quality work. So with that, in the task, we're going to ask kids to recall, to reproduce, to get data, to get definitions, to find details, facts, information, and procedures. So they can find all of that in a website, web search, anywhere. And then the same thing, okay, how are you demonstrating that knowledge? Are you dramatizing, interpreting, solving it, use, illustrate, convert, and so forth. So that's the application side of the ledger. So in their Wakelet, they will have evidence of this in action. And then the third part is to compare and contrast. So that's the task that we're asking them to do. Compare and contrast something, criticize something, find a differentiation somewhere, discriminate about something, question, classify, that kind of stuff. So they're analyzing information and putting the analysis of that information inside their Wakelet. And then to appraise or argue or defend or judge something, they're evaluating it. So they would put an item in there that describes that. So you give them the task of what to do, and they will go out and find that information and put it inside of their Wakelet collection, and then to create and so forth. But here's the best part about that. How do you give the kids feedback? So inside of their Wakelet collection, when they put an item in there that matches any of these, you give it a feedback reflection there. And then based on how many reflections that they have, you give them an overall grade of their collection. It's that simple, that easy. Work smarter, not harder.